Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to this Java tutorial. In this video we'll go over how we can read a file. So in the last couple of videos we went over how we can create a file, write a file and delete a file. So in this video we'll go over how we can actually read a file. So I have this file created here. It's called name.txt and I have two lines of text. I have hello world and welcome to this video. So we're going to try to read out this text file in Java right here. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to import ourselves three different classes basically. So we're going to import import java.io.file is the first one. Second one is so we're going to import java.io.file not found exception, so that's if the file is not found. And I'm going to do import java.util.scanner, and then this is just going to be used just to read the text file. So we're going to create ourselves a try and catch block firstly. Now in the try we're going to create ourselves a new file basically. Well, we're just going to reference the file. We're not actually going to create it. I'm going to do file, and I'm going to go equals to new file, and in here we're going to pass in the name of our file. So for us it's name.txt, and now I'm going to create ourselves a scanner object. So we're going to do, so I just do scanner, no, I'll do s for scanner, new scanner, and then in here we are going to pass in this name here, the name of our file object. So for us it's file. You just have to pass in file in here, and that's that part done. Now we're going to create ourselves a while loop, and the reason why we create ourselves a while loop is because we are going to read every line. So we're going to check if a line exists, and if a line does exist then we are going to print it, but if the line does not exist then we're not going to print it. So for example, we're going to start off on this line here. If this line exists, as in if there's any text, we will print this. Then we'll move on to the next line. If there's any text in here, we will print it. And you see we don't have a third line, so we are not going to go into that line and nothing is going to be printed, and then we'll just end the loop there. So that's the way that works. So now I'm going to create ourselves a string. I'll just name it text. Then we're going to reference a scanner. So we're going to do s. Then we'll do next line. So this will actually get the line. So this will check if it has a line. If it does have a line, then we'll use this to get the line. We'll store it in text, and we can just print it out. Print out text. Now in the catch, we're going to check if that file does not exist. So if that file does not exist, we're going to get an error, which we will catch. We will print out file does not exist, and then we'll do the thing like always, either print stack trace. And this is about it. So when I run this, you can see we get both of our lines. So hello world, welcome to this video, and then the loop will stop whenever it sees that there's no more lines. So there's only two lines, meaning this loop here will only run two lines. Now let's say if we add ourselves some code. So let's edit this. Let's make a new line, and I'll go my name is Peter. Now if we run this again, you can see that we get the new line printed out in here. So that's about it, how we can read a file. I hope you enjoyed this video, hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.